Hello viewers, this is your tutorial on how to automate group Unjoiner on LinkedIn through Socinator. If there are groups you no longer want to be a part of on LinkedIn, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your LinkedIn account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on LinkedIn through Socinator. Let's scroll to the right and click Group Unjoiner. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to unjoin a number of groups within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for Group Unjoiner activity. Let's start with the Group Source. So the first one is by software. These are the groups that you joined using Socinator. Next, we also have outside software. So these are the groups that you joined yourself. Finally, we have custom group list. So here you can specify the group URL that you want to unjoin. So enter the group URL here. Let's say you have copied and pasted here. You may clear using the clear all button and it's gone. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Save button over here. The next tool is Job Configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should unjoin groups. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 4, medium with 12, fast with 16, or super fast with 33. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each group is unjoined. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after unjoining the number of groups you set in number of group unjoins per job. Number of group unjoins per job will allow you to specify the number of groups to unjoin per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of groups you want to unjoin per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max group unjoins per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep unjoining groups even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example, provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day, let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it LinkedIn Group Unjoiner and click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time and choosing LinkedIn Group Unjoiner. The last tool is Other Configurations. This allows us to enable Auto Group Joiner depending on your preferences. First, when reaching a number of group unjoins, let's say 8 to 10 unjoins. Next is when the Group Unjoiner tool gets temporarily blocked. Finally, you can specify when to start the Group Joiner tool, so let's say between 30 to 60 minutes after. So when you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start unjoining groups on LinkedIn, let's scroll up and hit Save. Success. After saving, let's click the Status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating Group Unjoiner on LinkedIn through Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select LinkedIn. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Group tab and select Group Unjoiner on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. let's call it LinkedIn Group Unjoiner. For group sources, let's select by software or by Socinator. For job configuration, let's select slow. And for other configurations, let's enable auto group joiner when the group unjoiner tool gets temporarily blocked. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select account or accounts. In this part, you can select multiple LinkedIn accounts. Since you only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our LinkedIn Group Unjoiner campaign. Click the Status button to pause the campaign, and the Action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.